Alright guys, so here is a torch. It's this tool. And I'm gonna use it now to remove this piece of plastic here that is stuck. As you can see, I already removed it with the help of this torch. I already cut in half that part. I'm gonna do the same with this part because it's pretty hard to actually get out this piece of plastic from this position here. So here's kind of how I'm gonna do it, like this. Okay. And now I'm taking this thing and I'm gonna cut it like this, you know. So because it's so hard to access, I found out that this is a really good way to actually, you see, a couple of seconds, and then I'm able to easily cut this piece of plastic, and I just need to do it more, maybe like 8 centimeters more until here, and then I'll be able to get this piece out and also this piece out. So, this really cheap tool could be very useful in these situations. This torch, as you can see. Yeah. Thank you.